Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday, and I think the last time I talked to you all, it was Monday. It was Tuesday, but I'm getting a workout in just a few minutes while my granddaughter is asleep. She's asleep on her swing, so I'm gonna get like a little bit quick workout in, something, whatever I can do. But guess what, y'all? The wash and dryer will be coming today. I'm so excited. Who gets excited to wash? Baby, me. Don't forget to pay y'all taxes, y'all business taxes, y'all. If you got a business, stay on top of your shit, okay? I forgot. No, I'm doing mine now. I'm about to get started on dinner. So, tonight we are having steaks. And normally I make like some shrimp or something when I make steaks. But tonight, I'm going for chicken wingettes. So I'm going to take some chicken wingettes, put those in the air fryer, like some no batter wingettes. Make lemon pepper wingettes maybe. Well, and some steak. That's what I'm making. And some other potatoes. I don't know what kind of veggie I'm going to have, but I mean green veggie because the potatoes are veggie. I don't know what I was thinking about. Yeah, we're gonna have that for dinner, and the washer and dryer arrived, y'all. Our timing was between 2 and 6, and they got here at I'll say 5:27-ish. So 5:30. The timing was fine. I'm not gonna wash tonight because I just want I'm gonna take a whole day to just wash, and I'll just clean up, you know. Let me get started on my meal. What kind of green veggie? What? My granddaughter don't want me to cook. She does not want me to start cooking. Can Granny start cooking, please? Can I start cooking, please, ma'am? Yeah, she ain't gonna let me cook. Hey, can Granny cook, please? Huh? Can Granny cook? You not letting me cook? Come on, give me a hand. Give me a hand. She said you ain't gonna cook in it. Y'all ain't gonna eat tonight. So I believe the whole plan was for her to come into the office because she likes coming in here. So now she's taking down. She's taking all that. What are you doing? You can't have that. You can't have that. Y'all heard all that? Can you put that back, ma'am? She's taking out my sage. Ma'am. Ma'am. Can you... Why you gonna do Papa like this? I told you, why kids always want to do me? Ma'am. Okay, alright. You about to go on your swing, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. What are you doing? What's going on? You want to come in here just to do this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What are you doing? She came here. Is that my son? My son is buying him a new car too, y'all. So I was trying to see. That might be him trying to. Let me see. Got to be nosy. Oh no. That's your mom. I can start cooking now. Whoa, your mommy here. Mommy! Yay! Mommy! Let's go get mommy. Let's go get mommy. Let's go get mommy. Ah, mommy here. I'm still in this bed. I need to get up so I can go ahead and start doing what I gotta do. It's 6:58 and yeah, I'm being lazy, but I know I have to do all this washing. I have to do all of this washing. I threw a lot of things down the steps because I was not going to be going up and down the stairs with this stuff to wash it. So, starting with my son's things. Well, actually, I started with our bathroom towels, our white towels, and now I'm just going to tackle this little bit of a mess that I got going on right here. Some of the things I already sorted, and I have things always on the other side in the corner over there, but yeah, it's gonna be a long day. So you guys, right now it is lunchtime, so I'm making my son lunch and myself some breakfast right now. Still washing, of course. And I have my granddaughter here babysitting, and she's tugging on me. Where you went? Where you need? Where you need? I know you guys probably hear my son's TVs. It's loud as usual. I have these like little samples that I got from Chanel. And this is a blue serum for the eye. I'm gonna try this in my next like skincare. What is this one? Sublimate. You know how you choose something when you buy like perfume or stuff like that from the cosmetic line? Skincare stuff, whatever, you get like samples. You can choose 2 samples. And these are some samples that I chose. I can't even open this one, but I really don't even know what this is. Oh, dropping it. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna see what this is talking about, and this is the eye serum. So I've never used this product either. So while we're talking about Chanel products, I'm gonna go ahead and order. Let me see if they have it first. The men's cologne, if they have it in stock, I'll go ahead and order it now because my husband still couldn't get it from the mall or anything. It's a Chanel blue cologne that he wants, and they're always sold out. So okay, they have a limited edition one on here too. That one is, what all comes with this? Oh, sold out as usual. That's sold out, but that's 201. Stay sold out, y'all. Stay sold out. Okay, so that's that one. Alright, let me see what else. Stay sold out. So, yeah, let's see. They only have like the single. That's a toilet spray. A toilet. However it's pronounced. Toilet. Anyway, that one, that doesn't last long, so I know he's gonna want. They don't have it. They have aftershave. They have shop. Let me see if they even have that. Let me see. He don't use no damn aftershave though, but I just want to see. So they have that kind of stuff in stock. I guess I had to keep searching back because he really wants that cologne. I feel like that'd be a good Father's Day gift because he can never like get it from the store. They have a twist and spray. Like, I don't think he wants that stuff. Let me see. That's 130, and it has, I guess, two. I don't know. That's 130 for that set. They have that in stock though, but he never said he wanted this, so that one. All right. Well, you know what? I have to trick him, I guess, and say like, which one did you want? Like, which one were you talking about? And then I'll just go ahead and try to figure out something. But the one that oh, there's another 164. What is this? Oh, okay. They have this one for 164. I might get this one because they have that in stock, y'all. The woody aromatic fragrance presented in a full-size bottle for everyday scenting and a portable twist and spray for on-the-go use. So yeah, you might get this one because, and yeah, they have this one for 164. So you know what? I'm screenshot it, and then I could just ask him. But I don't want to ask him, and then he's gonna know what I'm trying to do. I'll probably just get it. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. I will see y'all in my next one. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time.